everybody, and I am going to show you around my hotel. It is called Sweet Home. This is my bottom floor room, not room, flooring, and here's the counter. And then go up here, and here's a room. Now I'm just going to choose one because they're all the same. Here is the toilet and the bathroom. All the same. And at times. Yes. And then go up here and go up here. Here. And then this is being skipped right now, I'm sorry. But we go up here. And then we will go up here. And here's our pool. It's kind of rough, but the water can't come out, as you can see. And then we come in this room. Here's a shower, shampoo, conditioner. And then we come here. And this is a storage room. Got some storages on the balcony because we just ran out of room. Yeah. And then go up here. Now this is where we eat. Get food here. And this is a hotel. This is for small families. But whenever I add a room to this, I'll make a video building that room. Yes. And then we will go up here. And here are tubs for all the kids. Yes. And we go up here. And this is just an empty room. And then this is the bakery. Some cakes. And then here is our here's another store where we sell seats. Nice seats. Oops, oh well. Yeah. And go up here. And this room's just a maze for kids. And over here we have a shooting range. I would shoot for you guys right now, but I don't know how to go in my inventory, as you can see. But yes, here are the levels. The sponges are charted easy, medium, and hard. It's not really that hard, but I didn't have room to work with. And then you go up here. In this room, it's an exercise room. We could exercise. Yeah. And then we go up here. This is where we shop clothes. I wouldn't get better, but we've only got $2 to work with. We go up here, and this room is our seeing the world room. And you can just see the world with some, yeah. That is another hotel. That's my friend's. Yeah, this is the hotel. And we'll come down here. It's very long, but that just got too high and I couldn't make it any taller. Sorry about that. And this is the Creeper Club. I'm sorry, it looks like mine did this. Oh. I don't know. It's just a bunch of people. Yeah. Oh, and then here is people who paint marble. And they've got flooring, cool flooring, There's just checkers. It's a toilet and each got a balcony. Oh, this is creative. It's night, so we will go ahead and go to bed. And then we could go up here, and it's another person's room. And then up here, yeah. So if I make a room, another room, I will tell you. I will make a video of it, and you guys could know how to do it. But I'm not gonna make any more rooms. Those are pretty easy to make. Slide faster. Yeah. And now we're going to my friend's hotel. She doesn't think so, but oops. That looks like a cat. Oh. Okay. She's got a red carpet. Hotel options. Yes, don't you love her flooring? This is a room my sister made. That she didn't really want, I guess. I don't know. The one lady's name is Rye. That joined to us, and this is her room. There's her bathroom. Yeah, we'll go back out. And then there's an inside tree with a crafting table. That's pretty funny. And we'll go up here. And here's their pool. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you wanted a diving room, you want to go to diving room, go there. Or you can come up. Maybe I can get off here and just ride. Yeah, that's it. Bye.